Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this currently is. And then we're going to use these options to toggle, and then we'll press and hold this check button to reset it in a moment. So I'll start pressing until I see oil life. All right, and there we go. So now I'm going to just press and hold the same check button. And that beep was indicating a reset. So obviously it just got an oil change, so now at 100%. And then this is just a nice little reminder to let you know, hey, be sure to get it done and don't forget. And then I got that other little box by pushing this, but it's the same effect. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.